Would you like to improve your logistic execution processes? In terms of efficiency, cost reduction, safety and communication, Smart Factory Gate is the cloud-intelligent and integrated suite allowing companies to easily orchestrate and monitor the transport execution and plant operations supported by SAP technology. The solution allows the companies to optimize logistic flows, integrating all the actors involved in the whole life cycle of the supply chain. All starts once a driver arrives at the gate. The authentication process is quicker thanks to a facial recognition feature. The traffic officer must approve the entry of the truck. The driver receives a notification including the loading/unloading gate and the plant access code. The truck passes through the weighing area and the plate scanner. Smart Factory Gate scans the state of the bodywork in order to detect possible damages. Once the loading/unloading operation is complete, the truck is weighed and scanned again to ensure the work is done properly. During the exit path, the traffic office must approve the exit from the yard again once all is verified. During the whole process, all the data are collected, saved, monitorized and analyzed automatically in order to improve the entire process. Be efficient, be digital, be smart. Smart Factory Gate.